Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 9th math 2nd chapter number 3 triangles, and in triangles today we will see practice set 3.4. Just please look at the board. Practice set 3.4 question number 1 is in figure 3.48. This is the figure 3.48. Point A, this is point A, is on the bisector of angle XYZ. Can you see the angle XYZ here? And this is the line which is an angle bisector, okay, and A lies on the bisector, okay. If A to X is 2 centimeter, then find A to Z, okay. If A to X is 2 centimeter, then we have to find the distance from A to Z. This is how much, okay. So my dear students, first I will explain this figure only 3.48. This is an angle XYZ. Can you see these two symbols over here? It means this indicates the YA, that ray YA is an angle bisector. Ray YA is an angle bisector who divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay, ray AY or ray YA is dividing the angle into two equal parts. So therefore, if AX is 2 centimeter, A to X is 2 centimeter, A to Z also will be 2 centimeter. Why? Because this is an angle bisector who divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay. So see, point A lies on bisector of angle XYZ. This is given in the question. Therefore, point A is equidistant. Point A is equidistant from X and from Z. So from ray YX and ray YZ. Okay, this is angle bisector theorem. So therefore AX is equals to AZ. AX is equals to AZ, but AX is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore AZ also will be 2 centimeter. I hope you understood. This is very easy and very simple question. Okay, ray YA is an angle bisector. So what does the angle bisector does? Angle bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. Okay, it will divide the angle into two equal parts. Okay, or it will make half parts. Is it clear? Now see question number 2. This is the figure 3.49. In figure 3.49, angle RST, this big angle RST is 56, means this complete is of 56. RST is 56 degree. Segment PT perpendicular ray ST. Okay, PT is perpendicular on ray ST. Okay, so it is a right angle. See, right angle. Okay, it is a perpendicular. Now see segment PR. Segment PR is also perpendicular to ray SR. Okay, and segment PR congruent to segment PT. PR will be congruent to segment PT. Why? Find the major angle RSP. Okay, we have to find the major angle RSP. It means we have to find this angle. We have to find this angle. Okay, so if this complete angle RST is 56 degree and SP is what? In short, in the question indirectly it is said that ray SP is a angle bisector. Why? Because PT and PR congruent. It means what? Ray SP will be angle bisector. See, it is given segment PR congruent to segment PT. It means ray SP is an angle bisector who will divide the angle into two equal parts, or it will do two half parts. So suppose angle RST is 56 degree, RST is 56 degree. What will be its half part? It is 28. Look at here. PR is equals to PT. This is our main reason. PR is equals to PT. This is given, and this is only making us alert. By reading this, we can be alert that PR and PT are equal. It means it is SP is an angle bisector. So therefore I will write point P lies on the bisector of angle RST, angle bisector theorem. By this we came to know that point P lies on the angle bisector RST, angle bisector theorem. Therefore angle RSP will be half of angle RST. Is it clear? Angle RSP will be half of angle RST. So half of angle RST. RST was how much degree given here? 56 degree. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 will left over 16. 2 eights are 16. So angle RSP is equals to 28 degree. Here it is not said that SP is a angle bisector, but it is said that PR is equals to PT. It means SP is the ray angle bisector who will divide the angle into two equal parts, or who will make two half parts of the angle. Is it clear? So now we will see question number 3 and 4. Look at the board please. Practice set 3.4 question number 3. In triangle PQR, this is a triangle PQR, PQ 10 cm, QR 12 cm and PR 8 cm. Okay, all three sides of a triangle is given to you. Okay. Now find out the greatest and the smallest angle. We have to find from these three angles which angle is greatest angle and which angle is the smallest angle. Okay, so please pay attention towards this figure first. This is PQR. Okay, PQ 10, QR 12 and PR is 8 cm. So my dear students, today we will see the new thing and very important thing. The three sides of a triangle are given to you. So which side is greater? 12. So 12, QR is a 12 cm. Side QR is a 12 cm. Which angle is opposite to QR? Which angle is opposite to QR is angle P. So angle P will be the greatest angle. Why? Because it is a theorem. So angle opposite to greater side is greater. It means if the side is greater, the opposite angle of that side will be greater. If side is smaller, the opposite angle of that smaller side will be smallest angle. Is it clear? Look at here. QR, side QR is 12 cm, which is the biggest side. So opposite side of this opposite angle of this side QR is angle P. So angle P will be the greatest angle. Which is the smallest one here? 8. Okay, PR is the 8. So which is the opposite angle of this PR? Angle Q. So angle Q will be the smallest angle because it is opposite to the smallest side. Okay, now see here in triangle PQR, PQ 10 cm, QR 12 cm and PR 8 cm. Okay, the sides of a triangle of three sides of a triangle is given to you. Now see, I have written here QR is the greatest side. The smaller than QR is PQ. PQ say smaller is PR. Is it clear? So this QR is greatest than the PQ. PQ is greatest than the PR. Okay. So what you came to know, QR is the greatest side. Opposite angle of this greatest side is angle P. So angle P will be the greatest angle. PQ opposite angle is R. So angle R will be the middle angle, and after that the smallest side is PR. PR is the smallest side. Smallest side opposite angle is Q. So angle Q will be the smallest angle. I hope you understood here. Angle opposite to the greater side is greater. Angle opposite side of a greatest side is always greatest, and the angle opposite to the smallest side is always smallest. I hope you understood. Okay, now the same question is here, but here little bit different. In triangle FAN, angle F is 80 degree and angle A is 40 degree. Find out the greatest and the smallest side of the triangle. State the reason. Okay, now see, this is a rough figure FAN. F is 80 degree, A is 40 degree. Do we know the N? No. But we know the sum of a triangle is how much? Sum of the angles of all the triangle is 180 degree. We know the sum of the measures of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. See, triangle is of 180 degree. So addition of these two is what? 80 plus 40, 120 degree. It means N will be how much? 180 minus 120. So N will be 60 degree. Now what you came to know, which angle is greatest? F. The opposite side of F is AN. So AN will be the greatest side. Angle is greatest. Opposite side of that angle is also opposite side of that angle is also greatest. See, now this will be 60. So this is second highest, third highest, right? Look at the question here. In triangle FAN, angle F plus angle A plus angle N is equals to 180 degree. Why? sum of the measures of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So angle F is 80 degree, angle A is 40 degree, angle N we have to find. So angle N is equals to 180 degree, 80 plus 40, 120, plus angle N is equals to 180, 120 will go that side, it will be minus 120. So angle N is equals to 60 degree. So now we came to know angle N is equals to 60 degree. So which is the greatest? Which is the greatest? Angle F, right? Which side is opposite to angle F? Which side is opposite to angle F? Side AN. So side AN will be the greatest side. Which is the second number angle? N. Angle N. Angle N opposite side AF. Yes. So it is the middle one side. Okay. Now which is the smallest angle here? A. Which side is opposite to A? FN. So this is the smallest side. Is it clear? So look at here. Angle F is greatest, then angle N, then angle A. Okay. Angle F is greatest than angle N. Angle N is greater than angle A. It means angle F opposite side AN. AN will be the greatest side. Angle N opposite side AF. It is the middle one side. And angle A is the smallest side, smallest angle. The opposite side of smallest angle is FN. So side opposite to greater angle is greater and side opposite to smallest angle is smaller. Okay. So therefore side AN, which is the opposite side of angle F. So side AN will be the greatest side and side FN is opposite to angle A. So FN is the smallest side. I hope you understood. Now we will see the question number 5 and 6. Please look at the board. Practice set 3.4, question number 5. Prove that. We have to prove something. An equilateral triangle means whose all three sides will be equal. Equilateral triangle means all three sides of a triangle will be equal. Equilateral triangle is equiangular. Okay, this is equilateral triangle by its sides. You know, sides are equal, therefore it is called as equilateral triangle. And we have to prove that it is an equiangular. It means angle P is equals to angle Q and angle Q is equals to angle R. It means all three angles are also equal. We have to prove this. Sides are equal, but we have to prove all three angles are also equal. So look at the board here. In triangle PQR, what is given? Triangle PQR is, we have considered triangle PQR is there and PQ is equals to QR is equals to PR. Okay, all three sides are equal because it is an equilateral triangle. Now see, to prove, what is to be proved? All three angles are congruent. Means congruent means what? Equal. We have to prove all three angles, angle P, angle Q and angle R, all three are equals to each other. Okay, they are congruent to each other. So proof, we have to prove it. What first we will write what is given. Okay, see, in triangle PQR, side PQ is congruent to side PR. Can you see PQ is congruent to side PR? See this identical marks, see this symbols. Okay, this side PQ is congruent to side PR. Okay, so therefore angle Q, see, angle Q is congruent to angle R. That is our first answer because it is an isosceles triangle theorem. If angle has two equal sides, its two angles are also congruent to each other. Okay, so side PQ congruent to side PR, therefore angle Q congruent to angle R. These two angles will be also congruent to each other. Okay, now see, again we will say the same thing in triangle PQR. Now you will take another two sides, that is side PR is congruent to side QR. Now we are talking about these two sides. Side PR is congruent to side QR. This side and this side also congruent to each other. Therefore we can say, see, angle Q and angle P, they are also congruent. Angle Q and angle P, they are also congruent. Why? Because these two sides are congruent. Therefore this triangle is isosceles triangle whose two sides are congruent. Two sides are same. It is considered as isosceles triangle whose two angles are also congruent. Okay, so now from answer 1 and from answer 2 we came to know that all three, see, angle Q congruent to angle R. Here also angle Q is congruent to angle P. It means what? All three angles are congruent to each other. So therefore we will write angle P congruent to angle Q, congruent to angle R. From where? From first answer and second answer. Therefore, we can say easily triangle PQR is an equiangular triangle. Means if a triangle is equilateral triangle, its all three angles are also will be considered as a equiangular triangle. Okay. If three sides are equal, three angles are also equal. Is it clear? Now see here. Question number 6. Prove that. We have to again prove. If the bisector of angle BAC, bisector, BAC, this is the bisector, BAC, and AD is the bisector. It means what? This will divide into two equal parts. Okay. Now, of ABC is perpendicular to side BC. Can you see AD is perpendicular on side BC? AD is perpendicular on side BC. Yes. Then angle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Then we have to prove that triangle ABC triangle is an isosceles triangle. We have to prove. So first we will write what is given. What is given here? Triangle ABC. Okay. And AD is a bisects angle BAC. AD is a angle bisector of angle BAC. AD क्या है? AD angle bisector. AD is a angle bisector. Which angle? BAC. Angle A को दो equal parts में divide करता है. Is it clear? So and therefore can we see B dash D dash C means they are the collinear points. Yes, collinear points. They are lying in a straight line. Collinear points. Segment AD is a perpendicular on side BC. These things are given in the question. Now we have to prove. What is to be proved? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have to prove triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Whose two sides are congruent to each other. Now see here, proof. In triangle ADB, this part, this triangle, there are total three triangles. First ABC, then one ADB, and then ADC. There are three triangles. Okay. So now we are talking about in triangle ADB, and this side of triangle. Okay, and triangle ADC, that side of triangle. Is it clear? BAD, angle BAD. See this. BAD, this is equals to CDA. Yes or no? Because this is AD is the angle bisector of angle BAC. AD angle bisector है किसका? Angle BAC का. Therefore DBA, okay, or you can say BAD or CAD. Okay, look at here. BAD is congruent to angle CAD. Okay, because this is angle bisector. Now side AD congruent to side AD. AD is the common side which is in this triangle also, which is in that triangle also. So AD is the common side. Yes, AD is the common side. Now can we say this is side and this is angle. Okay. Now see D 90 degree. D is a 90 degree here also and there also. Yes. Now see here, angle ADB this side congruent to angle ADC that side. It means here, can you see the D comes in between? Yes, D is in this triangle also and D is in that triangle also, and D is what? See the symbol, it is a perpendicular, means it is 90 degree. So I have written each measures 90 degree. D is a 90 degree here also and here also. Each measures 90 degree. So therefore now you came to know this is angle, this is side and this is angle. Angle, side, angle. Yes, this is angle, this AD is common and D is also common. So angle D is also common. So which test is passed? Angle, side, angle test. So therefore triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. This side triangle is congruent to that side, right hand side triangle, by which test? Angle, side, angle test, which is this angle, this side, and angle D is also common in both the triangles. Is it clear? So which test? Angle, side, angle test. Therefore side AB is also congruent to side AC. AB is congruent to side AC. Why? Because it is corresponding sides of congruent triangles are also equal. Okay, see, corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Okay, triangle ABC. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle by definition. So what you came to know, that this side and this side is also congruent. Yes, and this side is what? Common. Yes, AD is common. So which triangle it is? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is angle bisector. Therefore, BAD is equals to CAD. Yes, this triangle and this triangle, these two are congruent. Side AD is the common and angle D is also common in both the triangles. Therefore, side angle test, triangle ADB and triangle ADC are congruent to each other, and we can say side AB is also congruent to side AC because it is corresponding sides of congruent triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle by its definition. I hope you understood. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.